Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. Let's solve this very interesting indicial equation. For more videos like this, kindly share, like, and please subscribe to this channel. Okay, so let's really solve this. Okay, we are looking for the value of x. To get x, we need to first of all, get rid of minus 10. There are a couple of things we need to get rid of. This plus 5 has to go. This power has to go. This minus 10 has to go. But the first one that will go is what? This minus 10, this negative 10 has to first of all go to this other side and become positive 10. So how do we do that? We're going to be having x plus 5 all raised to the power 4 thirds equals 6 plus 10. Alright, then we have x plus 5 all raised to the power 4 thirds equals 16. So next we need to get rid of this power. How do you get rid of this power? When we multiply a number or a fraction by its own reciprocal, it kind of goes away. It goes away, so to speak. So what do I mean? 4 all over 3 times the reciprocal of 4 over 3, which is 3 all over 4. They cancel out, and then we're just left with 1. So that's how we're going to get rid of this exponent here, this power here. We multiply by its reciprocal. But because this is an equation, we must also do the same thing to this other side, which means we have to also raise 16 to that reciprocal that we multiply 4 over 3 by. Alright, so this is what I mean. X plus 5 all over 4, raise to the power 4 over 3 times the reciprocal of that, 3 over 4, equals 16 raised to the power 3 all over 4. You see, everything is still the same thing because this is an equation. You see, whatever you do to the left hand side of an equation, if you do it to the right hand side, you also get the same thing. What do I mean? If I have 2 plus 5 equals 3 plus 4, both of them equals 7. But if I put 1 here plus 1 and I still put 1 here, it's still the same thing because basically I'm getting 8 on both sides. So the equation is still the same thing. So that's the same thing I'm doing here. I want to get the 4 over 3, I multiply it by its reciprocal, and I must do the same thing here. So let's move on. 3 cancels 3, 4 cancels 4. So we have x plus 5 equals what? 16 raised to the power 3 all over 4. Now the next thing to do is to simplify this term here. 16 raised to the power 3 all over 4. What does it actually mean? I'll just go and draw a line here. Then I have x plus 5 equals, now this 16 raised to the power 3 over 4 can be written as this: 16 raised to the power 1 all over 4 times 3. It's still the same thing. 3 all over 4 is still the same thing as 1 over 4 times 3. And according to the law of indices, 16 raised to the power 1 over 4 actually means the fourth root of 16. So I can write this as x plus 5 equals the fourth root of 16. The fourth root of 16, all raised to the power 3. This and this are actually the same thing. I'm going to be making more videos where we can simplify terms that look like this, how you can turn them into powers and roots. Okay, but for now, if I have 16 raised to the power 1 over 2, it actually basically means what? The square root of 16. You can see these two comes here, even though in square root they don't always write it. If I mean 8 raised to the power 1 over 3, it basically means the cube root of 8. Okay, so I'm going to be making more videos concerning that, but let's really just solve this. So this is going to be x plus 5 equals, the fourth root of 16 is actually 2. So this is basically 2. And then don't forget this power 3 here. Just going to put it right here. Okay, then we have x plus 5 equals 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. So we have 8. Then we can make our x subject to the formula by transferring 5 to the other side. So we have 8 minus 5. So basically, x equals 3. You can cross-check your answer here. Put x as 3 here, and then you simplify it. You can use a calculator. You can just use using indices. You still get your answer. So that's the final answer. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.